Hello, welcome to on my YouTube channel, and I am Sagar Chauhan. Come back a new video. Uh, I am to so many videos making that English learning that to some student or some people are not too fluent in English and they are not to speak very well to English. Okay, this is a reasons of for every people's or every student. I am make this video because they are really to want for improving their English, and in here because I am beginning also that I am to not any word to speak any word of English, but today I am to intermediate in between to I am to speak English. Why? This is a only practice. When you to do practice, yes, you are to able to speak very fluent English. Yes, of course, it's a consistence or be a patience, because you have to patience in English. Yes, sometimes you have to feel like, yes, I don't know what about the English, and I know about for the vocabulary and grammar is using. Just you keep a practice. You supposed to practice on YouTube channel is also going on, and there are so many available options that to you have to practice do it. And listening is also some podcast on YouTube channel, and other movies you can see an English or British accent, whatever maybe you want to that do in that practice. And you will to definitely 1 month or 2 month, after 3 months is also that to consistent, you can to achieve for your goal that on English level. You can to improve for your English that on the keep on daily basis